So here we have this 70mai Pro Plus A500S dash cam with Sony IMX335 sensor. It has a 3K front and full HD rear camera with night owl vision and app support. Now let's unbox it. So this is the front camera, you can see here, and it is adjustable and has a very good build quality. This is the rear camera and it is also adjustable, and what you can see here is the camera mount adhesive. Let's look at the remaining accessories. We have the wiring crowbar and the wire for the rear camera here. Then there is this micro USB cable for the front camera. Camera mount adhesive for the front camera. Okay, so let me show you. So this is where you have to fix the front camera mounting adhesive, and then you can paste it on the windshield. And apart from this, you don't have an SD card included, so you will have to buy one. We got it installed at a car accessory shop, and that is the front camera, and this is what it looks like after getting it installed, and that is the rear camera. Now here is a view from the front camera. It also has the ADAS, which gives you alert by lane monitoring. It also has the forward collision warning system that calculates speed of the vehicle in front and alerts you. So now here you can clearly see the number of the car in front of us. Both the front and the rear camera are adjustable and you get a complete view. So here you can see someone doing a wrong side entry on a one-way road. Nowadays dash cams are becoming increasingly important for road safety and our own safety. That is a view from the front camera at night. So this is the night vision from the rear camera. So now you can see how clearly the number of the vehicle behind us is visible. Do you see it? It's crystal clear, right? So hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching. See you soon with another useful video like this. Until then, bye.